For number 11, we are multiplying two binomials. So I would start by taking 2 times 5 to get 10, 2 times negative radical 3 to get negative 2 radical 3, radical 3 times 5 to get 5 radical 3, and radical 3 times negative radical 3 to get negative 3. And after multiplying everything out, I look to combine like terms. I can take the 10 minus the 3 to get 7, and the negative 2 radical 3 plus 5 radical 3 to get 3 radical 3. For number 12, I would simply start by taking 3a plus 2b and writing it out twice, since it is that squared. And then just like the previous problem, I would go ahead and double distribute or FOIL again. 3a times 3a, 9a squared. 3a times 2b, 6ab. 2b times 3a, 6ab. And 2b times 2b, 4b squared. Again, after I multiply everything out, combine like terms, and those two middle terms combine to be 12ab, and we get k for our answer. For problem 13, all I have to do is distribute the negative 2 to both the a and the negative 2b. So negative 2 times a gets us the negative 2a, and negative 2 times negative 2b gets us 4b. Then after looking at that, we can see that 2a and negative 2a cancel, and 3b and 4b combine to make 7b. In problem 14, you're asked to find the following lines is equal to x minus 2y equals 12. A couple different ways to look at it. You can take that equation and solve for y and get it in slope-intercept form. Then start to look at your answer choices and see which one of those has an equation that looks similar. Or if you think about it, if I take this initial equation and multiply everything by 2, when I multiply everything by 2, I get letter J, implying that it's the same exact equation. For problem 15, we start by labeling what the shirt stands for, and in this case we're going to call that X. And since our slacks cost twice as much, that would be 2x. So we have the cost of the shirt, the cost of the slacks, and together it makes $22.50. So after I combine those to get 3x, I divide both sides by 3 and I get $7.50, which is the price of the shirt. And finally for this page, number 16, since it says that A, B, and CD bisect each other, we can label that this side is the same as this side, and this angle, side is the same as that side. And so since those sides are the same, and we have vertical angles right there, we know that these two triangles are equal. So if one of the angles over here is 80, that means the angle over here is 80. And if this angle is 60, that makes this angle 60. So figuring out that a triangle adds up to 180, I would simply take 180 minus the 80 minus the 60 to get 40 degrees, letter H.